The bathroom.
What duck? What duck? What duck? Yeah. Duck. Duckling. So, Anna, I have something special to say. The ducks? They're ducks? That's why they quack? They're birds. What is it? Yeah. Alright. I'm not. Animals? They have their own language?
You just talk to me, right? You tell me.
Yes.
Maybe that duck's saying something that don't let that bother you.
The duck?
Or dog barking too. That's the communication.
That's the communication.
Yes, don't let those noises bother you. Or for example,
Elephant.
Or ambulance, right?
Yes.
Ambulance, that's communication also, because it says, hey everybody, get off the road, going to hospital, bring people, don't drive fast. Ne istersen ben gidiyorum. Don't drive fast. You hear Selma? That's what it is. You understand, Selma?
Yes. I'm happy.
What mommy just said.
It's okay.
It's okay. This is Selma. You know what's this?
What?
Listen, this is the part of the life.
Really?
Part of the world. For example, when the rain starts, it's sometimes thunderstorm, right?
Yes.
So the people know it's rain is gonna come. It's this all this thing is part of the world, and they're beautiful, like all different kind of music instruments, right? Good. Do you?
Yes.
So this is, you try to enjoy those noises. Don't let them make you upset, okay?
Okay.
Tamam anneciğim?
Alright.
We have to ask the permission. We have to ask though.
Too spiritual.